Hi, I'm at 231 8th Avenue today, and I'm going to take you inside. It's a great block in the Inner Richmond, located close to the Presidio. You're close to Laurel Village. There's a Safeway on the other side by Golden Gate Park. There's just so much nearby in this location. All right, let's head inside. So beautiful exterior. Love this soft blue color with the dark gray. You have the formal living room in the front of the house. Looks like there's built-in speakers in the ceiling. And then this is a really nice open area. You have your kitchen, which you can see in the back, which is open to the dining area. This den, and then there is double doors that open to a deck with an outdoor kitchen. And then the homes nearby look really nice. And you can also have access down to the yard. Okay, so on this level in the back, so a little built-in office area, wonderful shelving. Primary suite is at the back of the home, so you have double vanity, nice shower, a nice built-in dressing area, and then a deep soaking tub, and then a separate toilet room, which is so nice. And then great walk-in closet. There's also laundry here. And then little wet bar, a little refrigerator, which would be great for like, this would be the perfect coffee setup in the morning. And then there's a deck off of this. What a serene feel. I love the wallpaper. Again, built-in speakers. This faces west, so you're gonna get really good afternoon light. And also, you can tell in the yard, really nice light throughout the day. That yard is just basically a blank slate waiting to have your finishing touches on it. But a good size deck off of the primary bedroom. And we have put some air conditioning in this room, which is nice. And then also on this level in the front is a guest bathroom, nicely finished. Simple shower over tub, vanity and toilet. And then you have two full-size bedrooms, built-ins in the closet. This one's a bit bigger, double closets. And then heading upstairs, so you have another home office. Another bedroom, lots of closet space here. And then this definitely walks out to a deck. Bedroom number 2 up here, also a really nice size. And then a full bath. This is just a shower, vanity, and toilet. And then a third bedroom. This is a great kids level. Love that Harry Potter closet. Stairway to just allow so much light in, and that's looking all the way down, which is really cool. Okay, back in the kitchen area, I'm gonna head downstairs now. So you have a gym here, a home gym. You have a full bath, so it's shower, toilet, vanity. And then you have a kitchen down here as well. And then a big great room. There's an entire wine cellar, I guess you could call it. Shelving. It's just beautifully done. Bar stool so you can sip some wine. And then this has doors that walk out to the garden, and I said this is basically a blank slate, and you could put some, you know, faux grass in there. You could just do regular grass. I mean, it just depends. You could do beautiful tiling, outdoor tiling. So lots of options with some plantings, some, you know, tall trees and shrubs nearby. It would just be really gorgeous and finish it. That concludes the tour.